the heck are you doing?
Oh, I'm on the screen.
Oh, man.
Man, got the beach towel all laid out here.
Push that in right there in front of
Driving too fast, Hamilton.
The lid hung up.
stuff, man.
Man,
I knew I should have been drifting around that corner.
Baja 500 up in here.
Yeah. I said lunchtime, you gotta get there quick. Fat boy gotta eat.
That's some good looking screwdrivers you got there.
That good Christmas trade them in.
Yeah.
Ripped him a good one on that one though. They overpaid that time.
What's that?
I said they ripped him a good one on that. Said they overpaid big time on them.
Yeah. Well, you see your brother-in-law said a screwdriver. Them are good ones right there.
Yeah.
I personally know about them.
Only one of them ever been used.
That's it. Number 2. That one. The rest of them, I don't use pry bars.
Yeah. Didn't buy the pry bar set.
Yeah, I just buy the pry bar set.
That's shocking for most folks. They gotta use the screwdrivers.
Woo!
That's why I had to stop it. It's probably been a couple weeks ago now. The guy come on here, wanted to know if I had any pry bars. I said, no. So actually, just showed the last one. So I got some more coming in. The other guy said, no, we got some up here. I said, no, we don't.
Oh, right there, son, right there.
That's what he's like, we got some up here. I said,
Soft
no,
grips.
We ain't got none up there. We got this one.
That's it. Well, Bill said he's ready for an upgrade.
He's ready to upgrade?
Upgrade what?
Toolbox.
No.
Hey,
Oh.
if you get another one, you can park your box beside mine. Not toolbox, I'm talking about cardboard box.
Yeah.
Bill, he's if he's trade all he's on the high vis.
They don't make a high-vis toolbox.
You can get yellow, it'll just won't be high vis.
I don't want yellow.
It's about time you add some lockers to yours. Need some lockers.
Bill, think about it.
Yep.
I'm good for now.
Good for now.
I'm good for now.
Bill said he got a new baby at home. He likes staying there with that baby right now.
Need to
I'll
sell
tell you
some,
what, that cardboard box, that ain't too comfy now.
need to sell
Don't
some,
sleep good, does it?
That's a long night.
need to sell some vehicles or something before I can do an upgrade.
Well, what you got on special today?
Now we got these. Blue Point. The number on this BLP THC 87. Torx bit set.
Oh, that's a nice set.
They call it Torx, but it got Torx and hex sealed.
Yeah.
Long, short. Yeah. Normally like 387. I think we got like 337. $50 off. Got 2 of them left.
That's a nice set.
Yeah. Put a lifetime case. Lifetime warranty case on it.
The only ones I think it does that.
Yep. They're pretty good, pretty handy.
That's a nice set right there. Well,
Fella with some free space in the box could probably use one of these. What do you think, Bill?
I don't know what you're talking about there. Bill's got a little room.
Bill got a little room. That's what I was talking to, was Bill.
Bill's got a little room.
I ain't got more room than I do now.
Bill said if we ain't got to order, he don't want it.
That's right. You have to order. I'll take this set, but I want you to order me.
Yeah, got to order one. Bill said, oh, since stock. No, I don't want that.
Oh, you sold at them? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll take one on that.
That's it. Oh, me.
Bill said we can quit picking on him anytime we feel like it now.
That's right. You ain't like Wally, you won't get butt hurt.
No, I ain't gonna go home crying. Had to call the helicopter in, take me to the hospital. Get a bunch of shots in an IV because I'm butt hurt.
Wait till my be like, where's Wally at?
Who?
Wally. I ain't seen him in a couple weeks. Where's he at?
No comment.
You gonna sign autographs for everybody next Saturday, Bill?
Yeah,
Everybody's wondering where you was at.
I'll be you.
You want to tell everybody on video where you was at the last couple of times?
The last couple of times I've been trying to deal with my parents. My daddy's not in the best of shape, so I've had to step up and take care of his yard and mine too. And
So you ain't just laying out skipping.
no,
Ain't being lazy.
have to run
Ain't
them.
being sorry.
Have to run them back and forth to the doctor and all that kind of good stuff.
Everybody thinks you're skipping out.
Yeah, some comments said we shouldn't even do videos if Bill ain't there. Bill's the life of the show and all that stuff.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's right. Sure enough. You got your ratchet stockpile back up finally.
Yeah.
Oh, I see a high vis handle, Bill. On a ratchet.
Bill needs that one.
Yep. Bill needs to trade that 3-tooth ratchet in.
I don't like that old school handles like that. I like the way they feel on the hand.
He needs to take that
I don't
3-tooth ratchet and upgrade it.
Bill got sentimental value with that one for some reason. I'm gonna try to trade him out.
Can you not put a different guts in it?
No, because the head would fit on a lot of them, I believe. It's just the paw on the new ones. 80-tooth have the dual paw design, and on the older ones have a single paw that just shifts back and forth. It's a lot bigger one. That'd be where the problem would be at.
You may just have to retire that Bill. Put that as your truck box.
Mount it on the wall beside the toolbox or something.
That's the only ratchet that, knock on wood, has not gotten broke over the years.
Whoop, she's done now.
It's gonna fall off the thing and break
He
the handle off.
will
now.
pick it up and it'll fall in two now. That's exactly what happened. You can't brag on it like that. Be like, I'm just waiting on this piece of junk to break.
Well, he's gonna go in there now to go get it. Like, where's my ratchet at? I laid it down right here 5 minutes ago.
Yeah, he'll pick it up, the head will fall
dissolve in
off.
mid-air now. It's like driving old cars. This car ain't never give me no problems.
Yeah,
They're gonna lock up on the way home.
that's the worst thing to say ever.
Yep.
What you got in that little case?
This is a little bit sense right here.
Bit set.
Got the Phillips, flats, hex, torques, and tamper-proof torques. And you got, I ain't quite
Well,
sure.
them bits run about $12 a piece, so
The snap-on ones do.
yeah. So does it come as a discount when you buy the whole set?
Yeah, you save a lot of money buying it by the set.
I figured you did, because like that little screwdriver, like if you bought just the, the ratchet and screwdriver, it's got the bits in it.
Yep.
If you bought just the bits, it would cost you more
Than what the
than
screwdriver
the screwdriver costs.
Yep. The screwdriver, you can get the screwdriver without the bits for like 65. The screwdriver with the bits is like 85, and you get 4 or 5 bits, and you get $50 worth of bits almost. One thing I understood though is this. When you can put it in here from a quarter to a quarter, I guess, or with this, but you got this, so they got me confused on that part. I don't know. So I just get paid to settle, not think about what goes in them, I guess.
That's how you can multi-use it, I guess.
Yeah.
Bill's thinking about something back there.
Just looking.
He's thinking on something. Well, I guess we'll show everybody what they're waiting to see.
Yeah. They'll be excited to see why Clay had to sleep in the cardboard box last night.
That's right. It's a sad day. All right, guys. Well, let's go take a look. There it is, guys. That's what y'all have been wanting to see. Why I'm in the doghouse. And I've done it again. But I ended up putting a top box on, as you guys can see. And we added a couple of side lockers. And that really helped out. with some storage. And I was able to move some stuff around. We get everything in here. End up with a couple of empty drawers. Have some extra storage. And I'll go through and show you guys what I did here in a later video on how I was able to put all the power inside here and make it work where it's nice and neat. And we'll go over this at another time. But anyway, guys, that's the video this week. Hopefully you guys like it. Check the links down in the description. Got some cool tools, discount codes, all that good stuff. There's a little clicker over here you can click and check out our new t-shirts and all that good stuff. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button. You guys have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time. See ya.